Welcome to Ritu's Learning Corner, where every child is a star. Hello, children. Today we are diving into the exciting world of the English alphabets A to Z. Are you ready? Let's begin. How many alphabets we have? Yes, we have 26 alphabets. Come on, let's start. A. A is for astronaut. Astronaut. Astronaut fly to the moon. B. B is for butterfly. Butterfly. Butterfly with wings so colorful and light. C. C is for castle. Castle. Castle is where stories unfold. D. D is for dolphin. Dolphin. Dolphin, so playful and bold. E. E is for engine. Engine. Engine, choo choo. It makes the train go. F. F is for firefly. Firefly. Firefly glowing all night long. G. G is for galaxy. Galaxy. Galaxy twinkle with light. H. H is for hedgehog. Hedgehog. Hedgehog, so tiny and bright. I. I is for igloo. Igloo. Igloo, cold and so neat. J. J is for jungle. Jungle. Jungle is where animals meet. K. K is for kite. Kite. Kite soaring so high. L. L is for lighthouse. Lighthouse. Lighthouse guiding ships, its light shines through. M. M is for mountain. Mountain. Mountain reaching the skies. N. N is for nest. Nest. Nest is where baby birds lie. O. O is for octopus. Octopus. Octopus found under the sea. P. P is for panda. Panda. Panda, so cute and carefree. Q. Q is for Coca. Coca. Coca, the happiest animal you will ever see. R. R is for rainbow. Rainbow. Rainbow comes after the storm. S. S is for starfish. Starfish. Starfish sparkling in blue. T. T is for train. Train. Train chugging on through. U. U is for unicorn. Unicorn. Unicorn with a horn that's magical and rare. V. V is for volcano. Volcano. Volcano, lava flowing everywhere. W. W is for waterfall. Waterfall. Waterfall cascading down with a refreshing sound. X. X is for X-ray. X-ray. X-ray, it looks inside to see what's wrong. Y. Y is for yacht. Yacht. Yacht sailing gently across the sea. Z. Z is for zookeeper. Zookeeper. Zookeeper take care of animals happily. Okay children, that's all. 26 alphabets over. We hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a nice day.